For this segment, you've chosen moon phases. In this video, I will share with you how the moon moves relative to the Earth and how phases occur. The term phases refers to the fact that as the month passes, the moon appears to change size from a thin crescent to a full moon. If you were to make observations of what the surface of the moon looks like, you would see that the patterns on the surface never change. This is because we see the same side of the moon. The near side always faces us. The moon lights up because it's reflecting the sun's rays. Just like if you brought a chair into a dark room and turned a flashlight on it, it reflects the light rays from the flashlight. The reason the moon appears to change is because of how the moon moves relative to the Earth and the sun. The moon rotates and revolves just like Earth does. A lunar day is 24 hours, just like Earth's, and a lunar year, or revolving around the sun, is 365 days, just like the Earth's. The moon revolves around the Earth once a month. The changing relative position of the moon, Earth, and sun cause the phases of the moon. Watch the moon animation and the date as it cycles through a month of phases. The sun always lights up the same half of the moon. Since the moon revolves around the Earth, you see the moon from different angles. The phases of the moon you see depends on how much the sunlit side of the moon faces the Earth. Take a moment to study the picture. Compare the phases of the moon with where the moon is in relation to Earth's surface. The sun is shining from the top of the diagram. Here's a second picture showing the phases of the moon. This diagram is missing new moon, so I added a little note. New moon is when you can't see the moon at all, and it occurs between the waning and waxing crescent. If you would like to return to the intro, click on the button in the lower right-hand corner.